National Disaster Management Organization, NADMO, is making efforts in consonance with the President's vision to build resilience against earthquakes. NADMO has an updated educational material on earthquake protection ready for publication. It will be translated into various local languages for dissemination. I encourage NADMO to revisit its document, the National Building Guide for Lightly Loaded Structures in Disaster-Prone Areas, to support the efforts of assemblies and builders, especially in the rural areas.